English for Everyone. Business English. Course Book, Level 1. Lesson 36.
If you buy a return flight, you will save money.
If you book in advance, you will get a discount. If they bring a lot of equipment, we will need a bigger suitcase. If the trip is long, I will probably fall asleep. We will be late for the flight if we don't leave soon.
Will you buy a ticket if I buy one too? If you go to China for business, will you visit the Great Wall? If I go to China on business, I won't have time to go sightseeing. If we win the contract, we will go out to celebrate. Will you arrange a taxi if we land late at the airport? We won't get a discount if we don't book now. If you have a lot of luggage, you will need a taxi.
Hi, Dan?
Oh, hi, Simon. I'm just calling about the conference trip next month. My assistant is making the arrangements and booking the tickets today.
Okay, my presentation's nearly ready, but I haven't thought about the trip. I have quite a lot of equipment. We also have the brochures to take.
I think we should arrange a taxi to the airport. We have too much to carry on the bus or train.
Yes, that's a good idea. It won't cost much more than 2 train tickets.
If we fly in the middle of the day, the tickets will be cheaper, so we can afford business class tickets. This means we'll have a little more space to work on the plane.
Sounds good. Let's do that. We might have some last-minute presentation details to talk about.
An ex-colleague of mine, Tai Tung, will meet us at the airport when we arrive.
Okay, great.
Yes, he's also going to take us to see a few sights around Hanoi before taking us to our hotel. The conference starts the next day, so it will be good to look around.
Excellent. I'm looking forward to it.
Me too. Can you email me your passport details for the flight tickets?
Of course. I'll send them as soon as possible.
Thanks. Bye for now.
Bye.
If your bag weighs too much, we charge a fee.
If you book online, flights are often cheaper. When I pack in a hurry, I sometimes forget my passport. The airport has a shower if you need to freshen up. Clients get angry if we don't pay their expenses. The airline offers transfers if you have a connecting flight. If I don't carry a map, I always get lost in a new city.
If you fly business class, there is a lounge. When you book a transfer, a driver meets you. Passengers get annoyed if the plane takes off late. You can order a special meal if you're vegetarian.
Will you pick me up from the airport if I tell you my flight number? If you buy food on the plane, it is quite expensive. If you are in a group, it is often cheaper to go by taxi. Will it be cheaper to buy a return ticket if I come back the same day? When you book flights early, they are usually cheaper. Traveling is boring if you don't have anything to do on the plane.
End of Lesson 36.